morning everyone, we are at a new video. Basically this is the official review of the KTM 1290 Superduke R. Yes, I got it, I fucking got it. It's a 2020 model. And I recently went to the dealership to check what options they had put on, and basically it has all the options, excluding for like the racing brake light, meaning that when you brake hard that the brake light will flash. But yeah, I don't need that. I'm not going to the track and like it's not very useful. But it has quick shifter up and down. It has all the map packs, so modes, street, sports, racing, and track. And what else? We have Brembo brakes. We have a SC Project slip-on. This one is without CAT. Well, I mean without DB killer, because they just shipped it to me, so I'm gonna put it in because in Amsterdam I need it. But I'm thinking about getting another exhaust completely. I really like the Austin Racing one because it has like these two pipes coming from the back on both sides, and the sound is just insane. And I'm gonna try to get it with the titanium headers. Yeah, so that's my plan for the exhaust. But yeah, it has a lot of carbon fiber as well, like here, front fender, and the back seat cover and the rear fender. I already told this in my previous video, and it has also the new tank cap. I really like this one, finishes it off. Yeah, so if we go to this side, I just got the SMP Connect. I haven't been sponsored yet by them, but this is their newest SMP Connect. It was difficult to find a spot where to put it, because the big dash is basically everywhere in the way. So I was able to put it here, and then I have the phone like this. And I had to get this like adapter because I have the old phone case. They have updated it, so it's better, but I'm still with the old phone case, so had to get an adapter. But yeah, it works well now. I'm happy with it. I have the anti-vibration as well. Yes, and this bike is well equipped, like I said. Also the rear heel guards, this upgrade, I think this upgrade, like these shifters and foot pegs are like very expensive, like 600 euro upgrade. And now of course the crash bars, very important. They don't stand out, only when you know that they're there you see them, but before it's fine. And then the nice bar and mirrors. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them for now, they're good. But I was thinking of also getting Rizoma stealth mirrors like on the Nuda. Yeah, unfortunately those are fucking expensive. So gonna wait a bit. First get the exhaust, because I think that's gonna change the most, and for now it's fine. Yeah, it's just fucking beautiful. I love the single swing arm. Never had the bike with the single swing arm. This is from this angle, from the back, like this. I think it looks maybe the best. What do you guys think? Yeah. So come along with the ride to work with me. We have cops right behind. And I still don't have the DB killer in, so I don't want them to pull up like straight behind me. And they are gonna pull up straight behind me. Let's see what's gonna happen. Actually they're not straight behind me. They're passing me on the right. Fine. Ooh, we got away with that. We got just away. Because like the fine, well, if I don't have a DB killer, they can give me a fine directly. And the fine is 400 euros, I believe. I got it before with the Nuda, like 2 years ago. And so now with the Nuda, I always ride with the DB killer in. But as I just received the DB killer for this one, I haven't put it in, so yeah. So, and this was maybe 1/3 of the throttle. This was only 1/3 of the throttle. Imagine how fast it is. This bike is crazy. Power-wise compared to the Nuda, it's crazy. Sound-wise, the Nuda beats every bike. Good morning. I don't know what it is, but lately I feel like all the bikers, well, not all of them, but like so many just don't wave back. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a thing in Amsterdam, or people are just not focused, or just focus on other shit, like paying attention to the road, which I understand. But I feel like so little are like waving back. I always try to wave. If I don't wave, and if you see me in Amsterdam, if I don't wave back, it was probably I was really just focused on driving. Because normally I always wave back, especially, and it can happen that I just miss it because I was dreaming or whatever. But I always try to wave, no matter the biker, even if it's a Harley. I only don't wave to scooters like these. Because I don't see that because I don't see that as a motorcycle, so they don't count. They don't get the wave. And to be honest, they never wave to me as well. So yeah. Oh, he has a Red Bull can right there. What do you think? Is it empty or is it full? Is it like extra space for a can? Oh, is he gonna fit in between with those big bags? Oh, damn. He fits. Ooh, it's close though. I'm gonna wait here. I do chilling with one leg up, chilling on the music. I think he's having a good day. This one, now you see, day wave. We're already almost at work. Wow. He's not gonna fit. What bike is this? Explorer? What brand? I don't know it. I don't think we're gonna get this light because we have to go right here, and it's always a nightmare because there's people with bicycles crossing, and they have right of way. I think I'm gonna filter to the front now because now it's possible. Thank you. Sometimes taxi drivers can be nice guys. They're not always bad. Like this guy, he made some space for me to pass, even though it wasn't really necessary. He still did. See, this is what I meant before, that you have the cyclists here crossing, so they have right of way. And you have pedestrians. Oh yeah, by the way, for the people wondering about the flashing light here, it's a cruise control. Somehow it has a fault, and I bought the bike like this without knowing, and so they're gonna fix it now for me. And so apparently it's like the minus button for the cruise control is like fucked, like it's broken, it's like always engaged, so the cruise control will flash because it cannot engage the cruise control because of that. And they have to change the whole button cluster for the cruise control, and that is like 350 euros. And then on top comes like 3 hours of work, so the whole job costs like 700, 800 euros. And I was like, bro, I'm never gonna pay for that. So luckily the shop I bought it from, they agreed to fix that for me without cost, for me basically, but on their cost. And so as they are in Rotterdam, they agreed as well that I bring it to a bike shop, to a KTM dealer near me, which helps me out a lot because, well, bringing back the bike to Rotterdam, so that's like an hour travels, depending on the speed of course you go, and then I have to go back, and that's public transport, that's by train. Thank you. So that takes an hour and a half, I would say, from door to door at least, so it's a lot. And then I have to go back to pick it up again. So it's just a pain in the ass if I would have had to go to Rotterdam. But yeah guys, this was the video basically. I want to thank you for watching. If you don't do so already, please subscribe. Give it a video a like for the algorithm. And comment below what you think of my new bike. Should I get the new exhaust or other upgrades I should do you think are really like go to upgrades on the KTM. And yeah, I see you in the next video. Peace.
What would you like to do if money were no object? How would you really enjoy spending your life? Forget the money. Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.